In this video, I will show you how to block ads on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You will not make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, go to your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy and go to settings again. Under the settings, all you have to do now, tap on this search icon. So tap on this search and type ads and search. So as you can see now, it gives you an option which says add preferences. So tap on it. After you select on this add preferences, now it will give you an option to hide all the ads that you don't want. As you can see now, here it says advertisers you have seen most recently. So here is advertisers that most recently I used to see on my Instagram or my Facebook account. So in order for you to block all these ads, all you have to do now, tap on the hide ads. So as you can see now, I hide all these advertisers now from showing me ads on my Instagram, on my Facebook account. So if you want to hide all the ads on Facebook or to block all the ads on Facebook, tap on this ad settings. Scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, if you scroll all the way to down, tap on this ad. As you can see now, category used to reach you, tap on it. Scroll all the way to down. So as you can see now, here is all the categories that used to reach you. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this other categories again. Now it will give you all the options. Tap on this see all category again. So as you can see now, here is all categories that Facebook used to send me on my Facebook account. So all you have to do now, go and follow all these steps to tap on this remove button, all to remove them. As you can see now, by tapping on this remove button now, you remove all the ads from Facebook. So go ahead and just remove all these ads. So by removing all these ads on your Facebook account now, you won't be able now to see any ads on your Facebook account. That's it guys on how to block all ads on Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.